Hey everyone, my name is Dattatray and I welcome you to in this course Mastering Blogger, Building a Successful Blog from Scratch. This course is designed to take beginner through the entire process of creating, managing and growing a successful blog using the platform called Blogger. In this video or course, each module will provide practical insights and hands-on exercises to ensure that you gain the skills and knowledge that needed to use Blogger and blogging. So let's get started with this video. In this video we are going to see what is the outline of the course and what we are going to say in this course. So there are 10 chapters. With the help of these 10 chapters we will be seeing the outline of this course. So let's see the first module of this course. So the first module is all about introduction to blogging. There are 3 chapters that will be discussed in this module. So chapter number 1 is understanding the basics of blogging. In this we will see what is a blog and importance of the blogging in digital era or the age. In second chapter, introduction to Blogger, we will see overview of the Blogger platform and some pros and cons of the using Blogger. In third chapter, we will see setting up our Blogger account. In that we will see creating a Google account. So this is the simplest step. Everyone has the Google account, but still we will be following the procedure of this course. In second point, we will discuss how we can set up new blog in Blogger. That will be discussed in this last point. So these are the 3 chapters will be discussed in first module, introduction to blogging. Now moving to the second module. Second module is all about designing our blog. So there are 2 chapters in this module. Chapter number 1, choosing a blog theme. In this we will explore some available themes in Blogger and we'll choose the themes which is suitable for our blog, and we'll try to customize our blog's appearances for audience. In second chapter we will see creating a user-friendly navigation. In that we will see how we can create a clear menu structure and what are the point or what should be added in the menu. That will be discussed in this first point. In second point we will see how we can add pages and categories to our blog. That will be discussed in second point. So this is all about the module number 2. Now moving to the third module. Third module is all about crafting and compelling content about our blog. So there are 3 chapters that will be discussed in this module. Chapter number 1 is understanding our audience. We will identify our target audience and create the content that will help our audience in first chapter. In chapter number 2 we will write engaging post, or we will learn how to write engaging posts that will attract our readers or audience. In first point we will see how to write catchy headlines and structure our blog post for more readability. In third chapter we will see how we can use multimedia to attract more users to our blog. In that we will see how we can add images and videos to our blog post and make sure that ensuring that multimedia is enhancing our blogging content. That will be discussed in this third module, third chapter, third module. So this is all about module number 3. Now moving to the fourth module. Fourth module is all about mastering Blogger tool. So we will see what are the tools that Blogger offer and how we can use them to enhance our blogging experience for our audience. So there are again 2 chapters that will be discussed in this module. Chapter 1, navigating the Blogger dashboard. We will understand the Blogger interface. In second point, we will explore the dashboard features. What are the features that Blogger offers us? That will be discussed in point number 2. Now moving to the chapter number 2, utilizing gadgets and widgets that Blogger offers, and we will see how we can customize that these gadgets and widgets to our blogging experience, and how they can enhance our blog functionality. That will be discussed in module number 4th. So this is all about module number 4th. Now moving to the module number 5th. So module number 5th is all about search engine optimization. So there are 2 chapters that will be discussed in this module. Chapter number 1, we will see some basics of SEO, understanding keywords and their importance, and we will try to optimize our blog post as per search engine and keywords. So these 2 points will be discussed in chapter number 1. In chapter number 2, we will see how we can promote our blog more effectively. In that chapter, we will see creating a solid promotional strategy, and in second point, we will see how we can utilize social media to promote our blog. We can see how we can bring audience from various social media platform to our blogger. So that will be discussed in second point. So this is all about module number 5th. All these points will be discussed in module number 5th. Module number 6 is all about building a community. So there are 2 chapters in this module. Chapter number 1 is engaging with our readers. So in this chapter, we will see how we can engage with our readers or audience that comes on our blog. In first point, we will see how we can respond their comments in more effective ways, and in second point, we will see building a sense of community where people can share their thoughts and opinion. In chapter number 2, we will see networking with other blogger. In this chapter, we will see how we can collaborate with our fellow bloggers or people like us who are working on a blogger. In second point, we will see joining various blogging community and forums which will help us to understand blogging in more depth. So that will be discussed in second module. So this is all about module number 6. Now moving to the module number 7. Module number 7 is about monetizing our blog. So finally, we will discuss how we can monetize our blog, and we'll try to make some monies from it. So there are 2 chapters in this module. Chapter number 1 is we will explore a monetization option. In that first point, we will discuss Google AdSense and other ad network which will help us to monetize our blog. In second point, we will see how affiliate marketing and sponsor content will help us to monetize our blog, such as Amazon. In second chapter, we will see how we can create sustainable blog and income. In this chapter, we will discuss developing a monetization strategy. We will discuss how we can develop suitable strategy for our blog. In second point, we will see balancing content and revenue generation. In this point, we will see how we can balance our content as well as revenue from our blog. Now moving to the 8th module. In 8th module, we will see analytical and performance tracking. So there are 2 chapters that will be discussed in this module. Chapter number 1 is understanding blog analytics. In this chapter, we will see how we can set up Google Analytics for our blog. In second point, we will see some key metrics that will help our blog to improve in more analytical way. In second chapter, we will see how data can improve our blog. In that, we will see making data driven decision, how we can improve our blog with the help of data. That will be discussed in this point. In second point, we will see adjusting some strategies based on performance. So this is all about module number 8, analytics and performance tracking. Now moving to the module. Ninth module is all about troubleshooting and maintenance. So there are again two chapters. First one is common blogger issues. In this chapter we will see if there are some common blogger issue that will be discussed in this chapter, as well as some technical and content related issue will be discussed in this. In chapter number 2 we will see some regular maintenance tasks that needs to be done. In first point we will see how we can back up our blogs, theme and the content, so that will be seen in this point. In second point we will see updating plugins and themes, how you can update plugins and themes in our blog, so that will be discussed in the second point. In the final stage conclusion we will take a quick recap of all the modules and the steps or point which we have cover in the module. We will take a short recap or overview of the course and will end this course. So this is the outline of this course. All these discussed point will be covered in further videos. So thanks for sticking to the end, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.